Welcome to the Grab Bag, or random collection of useful hacks. This video contains a bunch of quick lessons on various topics, with each lesson being between 30 seconds and 1 minute long. Let's not waste any more time and get right into it. Here's how you can make an appointment out of an email using Outlook. Here we go again. This guy keeps sending you emails asking for a meeting, and he just can't quite figure out how to use the calendar. Well, not sure how we can help him, but to make our lives easier, instead of recreating the request in our calendar, we can just click and drag the email over to the calendar icon, let go, and Outlook will do the heavy lifting for us. From here, we can leave it as an appointment or change it into a meeting. Choice is yours. Are you tired of typing the same email over and over in Outlook? Do this instead. Use Quick Parts. Here's how it works. Step 1. Select a text you want to reuse, then press Alt F3. Or you can click Insert Quick Parts. Save selection to Quick Part Gallery. Choice is yours. Step 2. Give your text a name. Step 3. To use the text, you have a couple choices. You can type the name you gave it, then press F3, or you can click Insert Quick Parts and choose the one from the list. And there you go. If you're like most people, you'll find yourself constantly jumping between your inbox and your calendar. And quite frankly, all that clicking can get a bit irritating. So a fast way to jump between them is to press Control 1 or press Control 2. Control 2 will take you to the calendar. Control 1 will take you to the inbox. All right, and that'll do it. Now, before you go, feel free to check out some of these other awesome tutorials. Feel free to leave a comment below. Don't be shy about using that like and share button, and we will see you next time.